You're now watching Doorbell News.
Check her out.
Hey.
Oh, hi.
What's up? Can I help you?
No.
I live here.
Oh. I'm probably at the wrong house, dude.
Yeah, wrong house. Get lost. Minneapolis, Minnesota. Check him out. Look at that screw face.
Oh, yeah. Hey, I was wondering if I could, would I be able to use your, wait, which part of, which side of Minneapolis am I on?
What do you need?
Which side of Minneapolis am I on?
Yeah.
Babe, my car. Babe, my car.
Hey, it's fine.
No, it's not.
There's nothing I can do about it. What do you want me to do? It's not like it's going into somebody's house.
Yeah. Props to him for keeping his cool. Riverdale, Georgia. Yeah, looks like we got a doorknob wiggler Jimmyer here. She got a Rolex on?
Hey, what you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Oh, I was trying to down. I'm at the wrong spot. Sorry.
Yeah. Get lost! Memphis, Tennessee. Looks like the neighbor's dog got loose.
Get out! It's all
Dog looked like it just wanted to play. Atlanta, Georgia. Who needs enemies when you got neighbors like this? Can't even leave groceries outside. What a shame. Always keep an eye on those toddlers. A blink of an eye, they could be doing anything. Check this little guy out. Good work, Dad, but he was just going for his mommy. So this guy just walks inside someone's house.
What the hell? Who are you? Dad?
Sounds like she's calling for her dad.
I'm in the program. I got blood all over my shirt, so I just called away. Okay, turn around and get the fuck out of my house. I apologize, man. I'm just sorry. Breaks my hands off.
Dude, I'm just walking my house. You're gonna get
Out of here.
I don't know what's wrong with that guy. He just walked into their house. Skokie, Illinois. Sounds like he doesn't like the musician that lives downstairs. Hollywood, Florida. Check out this petty dude. He comes and steals a reef and walks off. Hey, put that back. Chicago, Illinois. Check this guy out. Look like we got another Jimmyer. Looks like he has a tattoo on his face. Yeah.
May I help? I'm trying to break in.
Yeah, that was a close one. Minneapolis, Minnesota. Check this lady out. Look at that jaw. Hey, what are you doing on my porch? Take your Cheetos and get lost! St. Paul, Minnesota. So this guy walks up to someone's house late night, knocks on the door. But the homeowner says he broke inside, damaged the walls, and stole his flat screen TV. Let's see what happens. Yeah, the old dent knock. You don't know nobody here, and you don't deserve to do that dent knock either. The old dent. Phoenix, Arizona. Looks like a drifter. It's almost 4 in the morning and she's ringing his homeowner's doorbell, but they definitely don't know her. Looks like she's looking for somewhere to stay. Would you let her in? Meanwhile at St. Paul, yeah, they left the house with the flat screen. You see somebody walking down the street with a flat screen in their hand, you know they know what they just did. Riverdale, Georgia. So this guy walks up to someone's house late night with a Jason shirt on, like someone wants to open the door for somebody with a Jason shirt on. The neighbor ends up catching him and then he tries to make excuses and he says, "Oh, I just wanted to charge my cell phone." Yeah, you want to charge your cell phone, all right. Make sure you thumbs up this video. New episode coming tomorrow. Yeah, I just need to charge my cell phone.
Excuse. No, I ain't trying. I need to charge.
What?
I'm trying to charge my phone. Look, I was just at. Excuse me. Look. Miss, I'm trying to charge my phone, miss. Miss, I'm not trying to harm you. Look, I was just at a party. They were shooting and my phone was dead.
This is Jen from Doorbell News. We are now offering members only exclusive content.
Become a member of Doorbell News today. Get exclusive content. Join today for exclusive access.
Become a member of Doorbell News today.
Doorbell News Crime Watch. Coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.